How to quickly enrich LinkedIn contacts with SalesQL automations. After performing a people search on LinkedIn for Java developers, click on the SalesQL badge. Choose a folder to save these contacts. You can create a new folder named Java Developers. Activate the automation feature by clicking on the lightning icon. In this automation, we're utilizing the search results feature. Specify how many pages you want download and start the automation. Wait for the extension to complete the download before proceeding. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear. Click on See Contacts to access your folder directly in the dashboard, where your contacts, emails, and phone numbers will be stored. Thank you for watching this tutorial on auto-enrichment in SalesQL automations.